Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. If you guys anyone has any questions, ask me in the comments. On this one, it's an 06. We're putting a Reckless underbed notch. This is the one, just like I use a lot of Reckless. I like their company. We'll be putting this one on, so I'll get the camera set up and we'll get right up on it. Get this one knocked out. This one's got the SS bumper on it. Second time this has ever happened. Some of these things sit and get rusty, but the bolt right here doesn't want to come out. Just spinning. They break free, get rusted, and break free from the spot welds up in these braces. This middle one don't have any. There was already a broken one. There's a broken bolt. On the other side, the head's missing off, so that indicates this is a common issue with this truck. Some of the bolts were a real pain to get out. The impact acted like it didn't want to get it out, but it finally did. So we'll get on cutting that out, and then we'll get the bed off and get going. It wasn't so bad. Just cut the head off and smack it with a chisel. Come on. All right, we'll get this bed off and get going. That wasn't much of a hurdle. Hopefully we don't run into any more snags. Moving right along. As you saw, I got the bed off, marked the notches for where I got to clean up the frame, covered up the back window. I'll clean up the actual notches all around all the edges. We'll get them set on and weld it up. Let's get this thing knocked out today. Ready for the next step. Got the gas tank covered, everything all cleaned up. Back window covered. Brand new fresh bottle. Ready to go. Nice. Gauge didn't even move since I turned it off. That means there ain't no leaks. It's nice. All right. We'll get these tacked in and then I'll get them welded. And you know the routine. We'll cut out the centers, plate them, weld them fully, cut the bed, put it back together, and out it goes. Next up, we're gonna cut the centers out. Got all those welded up, all the way around, all the way around. Alright, started to rain, so I had to shut the doors down. Hopefully it'll cool it down a little. I'll always accept something cooler than something nice and hot and muggy. Got all the plates tacked on for now. I'm going to take a little break. All I got to do is come back and weld around them plates underneath and paint it up, cut the bed, and put it back together. This will be done. All right, fully welded, ready for paint. Once I paint this, I'll put the line back, take the cardboard down, we'll stand up the bed, trim that support bar, and get that bed on and get this thing out of here. Remember, hit that subscribe button. All right, there it is, all done. Got some rain. Got dark, muggy. But this one's all done. Customer's coming to pick it up. Just gotta slap a sticker on it. Get some notches done, lifted, lowered. Whatever you guys need, hit us up. We'll get you taken care of. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button.